Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am wishing you a very happy new year. And in this series we are learning functions, and today we will discuss about one-to-one functions. So what is one-to-one function and how to determine one-to-one functions. So what is the definition of one-to-one function? This is the definition of one-to-one function. A function with domain A is called a one-to-one function if no two elements of a have the same image, that is fx1 not equal to fx2 whenever x1 not equal to x2. Here is the diagram so we can easily understand which function is one to one, which function is not one to one. So here, for any numbers here, different images. For example, we are taking x1 is 3 and x2 is 4, so we get different image. Fx1, fx3 is 7 and fx4 is 10. So here like this, okay, 3 not equal to 4 and 7 not equal to 10, like that. But here, for 3 and 2, means 3 not equal to 2, and their image, both images are just 4, so this is not possible, so that's why G is not one to one. Okay, this is the algebraic way. But if given graph, so for this we will use horizontal line test. So this is the definition of horizontal line test. A function is one to one if and only if no horizontal line intersects its graph more than once. Okay, if cuts more than once, it means this is not a one to one function. This is the graph. Here given graph, this is y equal fx, and when we choose two different points x1 and x2, but we get fx1 and fx2, this is same. Okay, so this, it means this line cuts here two times, so that's why this is not a one-to-one function. Now here is the question: decide whether a function is one to one. Here first question: is the function fx is equal to x to the power 3 one to one? So for this we can use, here we can means put any number. So here domain is all real numbers, right? We can put any negative number, positive number, zero, any type of number. So for example, here x1 we can take 2, and x2 is minus 1. Okay, randomly you can choose this one. So what is fx1, or we can say f2? So 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, it means f2, or we can say fx1 is 8, and fx2, what is x2 value here? Minus 1. And minus 1 to the power 3. So when we choose x1 and x2 different numbers, and we get different images, it means this is one to one. So yes, this is one to one by algebraically, like by the definition of this one. Okay, and by graphically, first we have to draw a graph and check by horizontal line test. This is the graph of x to the power 3 x cube. Okay, and here we apply horizontal line test. So we draw horizontal lines, and here you can observe this cuts at only one time, one time, here one time. So that's why this is one to one function. Now this is second question: Is the function gx is equal to x square 1 to 1? Okay, let's check. X1 we can take 5 and x2 minus 5. Okay, so what is f5 or fx1, which is f5? 5 square 25, and here fx2 minus 5 square is also 25. So when take a different domain, we get same image. So that's why this is not a one-to-one function, because here x1 not equal to x2, but here f x1 equal fx2. Okay, so that's why this is not a one-to-one function. Now we can check by graph. This is the graph for x square, and here we can apply this test, horizontal line test, and this cuts more than once. So that's why this is not a one-to-one function. Here is the third question. Show that the function fx equal 3x plus 4 is 1 to 1. In this definition, equivalent way is this: if x1 equal x2, then fx1 equal fx2. Okay, if they are not equal, so here images are not equal. But if x1 equal x2, domains are same, so images are also same. So we can say this function is called one to one function. So this one we apply in third question. Suppose there are two numbers x1 and x2, such that fx1 equal fx2. So we can check, we get x1 equal x2 or not. If we get x1 equal x2, it means this is one to one function, otherwise not. So what is fx1? Fx value is 3x plus 4. So fx1 is 3x1 plus 4. Fx2. So here fx2 is 3x2 plus 4. Both sides subtract 4, so we get 3x1 equal 3x2. Both side divide by 3, we get x1 equal x2. So here fx1 equal fx2, and we get x1 equal x2. It means this function is, this fx equal 3x plus 4 is one to one function. And in the graph, here 3x plus 4 like this type of line. And when we use a horizontal line test, so it cuts only one time. So this is one to one function. So very simple questions, you can find out one to one functions by algebraic method or horizontal line test. Okay, so very simple questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.